I love you. I care for you. Do you know that? When I look straight into your eyes, I can see the flowers of your eyes. Baby, everything you need, I will buy it for you. Don't mind this place you are staying.
You buy me jewelries.
Hi, I will buy you jewelries, gold, diamond, everything you need, eh? Diamond, silver, and gold. Diamond. I will buy you thread. Baby, I will buy you thread. You know why? I will shoe. Many are so dead. See this house, eh? It's my own. It belongs to me, eh? That's my house, boy. Come.
Moi.
Today.
Is that why you don't want to open the door for me?
No, Papa, you know, I was fast asleep.
Who was talking with you inside here?
Maybe it's me. You know, when I sleep, I talk. Like this afternoon, I dreamt we are our street. We are playing a match with the other street. I was the commentator.
One day you'll become a referee.
Thank you, Papa.
I've come to take something.
Yes, Papa. No, Papa, do you know that a big snake came into this house today?
Where?
Hey, a big snake. Hey.
Where is it? Have you killed it?
No, Papa. I tried, but it entered inside this butter.
Hey.
I tried, you know, I decided to rest. Then later I'll look for it.
You allow snake inside here. Let's carry it outside. Let's carry it outside.
Okay, Papa. Let's carry it outside. Close it well. Close it well. Papa, close it well so that the snake will not run away.
Be here. Okay. Don't allow it to escape.
Go and bring the knife. Papa, do quick.